A lot of people in their minds, they hear R&D and that involves someone in a white lab coat with test speakers and Bunsen burners. And certainly that type of R&D qualifies, but it's much broader than that. I really think about 3 different categories of activities that qualify for the R&D credit. One would be product R&D. So this could be developing brand new products, developing improvements or enhancements to existing products. Similarly, process R&D, so that's the second type of R&D that qualifies. So manufacturing, process development, process improvement, developing new techniques and inventions and formulas kind of falls under that as well. And then finally, the third type of R&D is software R&D. So brand new software development, developing new applications, but enhancing, improving existing applications can also qualify, whether that's for sale to customers or for your own internal use.